Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Here are 5 of my lunches that I have at work, Monday through to Friday. They're healthy, they're delicious. Best of all, they're free. So, if you're interested to know what people eat at work for lunch, here we go. Let's start with Monday. And starting off Monday, we have a pork cutlet with curry. So, when we say curry, it's basically just curry. It's a Korean curry with potato and some carrots in there, and it goes perfect with that pork cutlet. It's almost like a schnitzel. 2 types of kimchi there. One's the cucumber one you can see just to the left of this, right of the screen, should I say, with sausage. And this is a type of sort of tofu that has also been with sliced up radish. Very healthy. Going into Tuesday, we've got our pork bulgogi. So when we say anything is sort of almost bulgogi, it refers to almost that mix of flavors, a little bit sweet, a little bit sort of soy saucy, salty, but it's a great blend. But it's just with pork. That's galbi, which is rib meat that has been turned into a sort of beef patty. And then we've got some delicious egg with soft tofu and rice as a soup. Once again, it's incredibly healthy there. Our galbi is always very spicy, right? Whenever you have something with chicken and it's in that way, it's usually quite spicy. Those flavors just go so well together. That's spicy chicken with rice, cucumber kimchi again, a mystery croquette, I don't know what was in that, and boiled peanuts in a sweet, sticky sauce. This is dumpling with radish and a little bit of dried pollock. On Thursday, we have one of my favorite things, and that's the seaweed laver. Seaweed laver, in this way of making it, is covered with salt and sesame, and it is one of the best flavors I can ever imagine for me personally. So I love that, and I could eat that whole thing. We've got anchovies with green spicy peppers, sausage and rice cake, and spinach. This is delicious radish soup with egg and more of that dried pollock. Once again, a very sort of healthy way to get some extra protein. This time we've got Jeyuk bokkeum, which is my favorite sort of spicy pork dish. That pork and spice flavor just goes so well together, and it's one of my favorites in Korea. Here's a cream tteokbokki almost, so it's cream with rice cake. We've got an anchovy and walnut and other assorted nut dish. Some lettuce. I think that usually goes very well with Jeyuk. So when you get Jeyuk, that's just the pork, you mix it with a bit of lettuce. And the last one there, that's fish cake with radish in a sort of doenjang type soup. When we say doenjang, we're talking about a sort of bean flavored soup, which is very hearty and very healthy. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I have over this week, Monday to Friday. It's not always the most exciting, but this is it. This is the reality of living in Korea and getting these dishes, and they're free, which is so good. So get out there, enjoy your week of food. I hope you're eating some delicious lunches while you're at work, and have a great day. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.